Hi, I wanted to share my most recent project, which was converting a two-cycle gasoline golf cart to run on electric power. I really wanted to get the two-cycle engine to work, but it had leaking crankcase seals and it was loud and was just not worth the effort. So I designed and built an electric conversion kit for this 1992 EZGO Marathon golf cart, and I installed it. The golf cart is pretty rough looking, and it was free. I took the engine out and sold it for about $200. Then I bought a $400 LiPo battery and put it in an aluminum suitcase. The battery inside the suitcase is a 13 series arrangement of 38 amp hour pouch cells and a 40 amp current capacity Dolly brand BMS with the Bluetooth. The motor is an 1800 watt 48 volt brushless e-bike kit, and that came with a 33 amp controller, the wiring harness, and a Hall effect accelerator pedal. I had to spend about $80 on a chain and a sprocket set from the farm store, and that was a 1-inch hub 36 tooth motor sprocket, and then I welded that to the original double D hub 11 tooth sprocket that came with the kit, and a 1.5 inch hub 26 tooth sprocket for the center section of the driven hub. The axle I have is a 15-to-1 gear reduction, so I made the sprocket ratio so that it ultimately can go 25 miles per hour if it had a more powerful motor controller. To connect the sprocket to the axle, I cut the aluminum off of the driven hub, and it had a great surface on it, so I just set screwed the hub bore of the 26-tooth sprocket right to that. The motor is held up with pieces of unistrut and unistrut nuts and a steel bracket. That way the chain is as short as possible. The stock accelerator pedal was modified so that it pushed on a Hall effect pedal that I mounted into the original area where there was a gas pedal micro switch. And then the reverse switch is also in the original location. As far as performance, the 33 amp controller will let the golf cart go up to 13 miles per hour on flat pavement with the stock tires at 20 pounds per square inch. The controller is getting pretty hot though, so a future upgrade will be getting a high current controller to get to higher speed.